Today I'm excited about being part of this important initiative in Northern Sydney. It is a first coming together of the Thought Leadership Group, which has been brought together to improve social care and to break social advantage in Northern Sydney.
This event is about building a community investment collective to create opportunities for wider engagement and collaboration across sectors to support the most vulnerable in our community. I'm delighted to be here and see the energy and enthusiasm from the private sector, NGOs and government working together. This innovation at its best and shows that when there is a will to work together, there is always a way, there is always a solution.
From a government perspective, our role is to break the cycle of disadvantage and protect the vulnerable.
That disadvantage is disadvantage. I don't care whether it's in Woorabinda, I don't care whether it's in Claymore, I don't care whether it's in the North Shore of Sydney. Disadvantage is disadvantage.
So we want to do things differently, and what we want to do is to start empowering communities to support themselves.
And if you look at the demographics, the sort of support that is required over the next 10 years in this geography, you cannot escape the rise of teenage issues, delinquency, the issues of mortgage stress, the 30 to 35 demographic looking to buy a home in a geography where the entry level is probably $550,000.
I deeply believe in collective impact, but one caveat. Collective impact without community aspirations is only an exercise in professional alignment.
They have to own the solution. So if you give them the program, you just give it to them, they don't own it.
I'd encourage anybody in corporate organisations to seek out the opportunity to be a part of this community investment hub.
And let's get this collective growing, not only for Northern Sydney, because if this works in Northern Sydney, who knows where this will go. So this is an invitation for people in the room and for people outside the room who are serious about making a difference. We're not going to be trying to convince anyone to join this collective. We want people who want to be here to make that difference.
I think that if a public-private partnership, or whatever we're going to call it, has an opportunity to thrive, then it will thrive here first. Let's get it right and see whether we can't show other geographies in Sydney and elsewhere in Australia the way it's done. I think it's quite exciting. I think it's an interesting and innovative concept. Let's get it right and roll it out.